दिस वीडियोस आप 50 सेकंड में अपने लाइफ में कैसे सक्सेस हो ये जानने के लिए पूरा वीडियो देखो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले। @motives Why achieving success in life is a personal journey that depends on your goals, values, and definition of success. Here are some key steps that can guide you. Define your vision of success. Identify what success means to you. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and see failures as learning opportunities. Continuously seek knowledge and skills to improve yourself. Create a plan and stay organized. Break down big goals into smaller, actionable steps. Use tools like to-do lists, calendars, or project management apps to stay on track. Cultivate discipline and consistency. Stick to daily habits and routines that align with your goals. Avoid procrastination and distractions by prioritizing tasks effectively. Build strong relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and inspiring people. Network, collaborate, and learn from mentors or peers. Stay healthy. Take care of your physical and mental health through proper diet, exercise, and rest. Practice mindfulness or stress management techniques. Take risks and adapt. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone and seize opportunities. Stay flexible and adapt to changes or setbacks. Maintain a positive attitude. Focus on solutions rather than problems. Celebrate small victories and stay optimistic about your journey. Give back. Contribute to your community or help others, which can bring fulfillment and purpose. Measure progress and reflect. Regularly assess your achievements and areas for improvement. Adjust your goals and strategies as needed. Success takes time, effort, and perseverance, but with a clear vision and dedication, you can achieve it.